Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach a Word document to your email in the year 2026 using a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the videos. On the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a Word document. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser. Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Outlook.com and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now go to new email. Open up in a new window, increase the size of email, and then let's now select the recipient, which will be rehan@computersciencevideos.com. Subject will be Microsoft Word document. Let's now go within the email and type Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached Word document as per your request. Let's now go to a brand new desktop, go around to the dock, go to Finder. Let's now locate a Word document file, trial document. Highlight, Command C to copy. Go to the desktop, right click and paste item. Here we have trial document. Let's now quit Finder, go back to email. Let's now go to Insert, Attach File, Browse this computer. This should take us directly to the desktop. If not, click on Desktop. And here we have trial document.docx. Click on this, open. That is now attached to the email. Let's now end the email by typing kind regards. Admin. Full stop, and now we can click on send, and this email itself has now been sent to the recipient. Let's go to send items and click on that email, which is Microsoft Word document. Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached Word document as per your request. Let's now click on that Word document to open up within our email, and there we have it. We can, if we ever needed to, edit in browser, edit in the Word desktop application, save to OneDrive, copy or download. But that's all for another video. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.